Starring Entertainment.
I'm right here at the back. Hi. First question ko nga direct, medyo na-touch ko na itong question ko. Sabi mo na whenever someone reads a novel, iba-ibang interpretasyon. So,
pwede parehong interpretasyon, iba ang visual interpretation.
Yes.
Iba ang nakikita sa utak.
Okay, so having said that, I wanted to know, when you got the material, what was your vision, and as a director, what was your initial goal in presenting this material into a series?
Simple. I wanted it to be epic in scope in terms of emotional sweep. More than visual, I wanted it to be sweeping emotionally. I wanted the love, the emotion of love, especially among the three characters, Carmela, Carmelita, Juanito, and Leandro. Gusto ko nuanced. Ang pagmamahal at ang pagpapakita ng pagmamahal ay basically pareho, pero may nuancing yan. Iba't ibang shadows, iba't ibang shades, iba't ibang hues, iba't ibang impact. At ang linaw nun sa tatlo, nung binabasa ko yung libro, that is what inspired me. The exuberance, the energy, and the nuancing of the expression of their individual love. Malaking bagay yun. Mas mahalaga sa akin ang emotional sweep kesa sa visual sweep. Kasi ang emotional sweep ang magpupush sa'yo, ang mag-lift ng spirits mo eh. Yun lang. Thank you.
Additional lang direct, did you have a hand in selecting the cast?
I think I was the last person on board.
Okay. So,
I was,
when you, parang nang nalaman nyo kung sino yung mag-portray ng lead roles, what was your initial reaction?
Gusto ko. Honestly, simple. I've always wanted to work with Heben Paralelo. Actually, in my last few projects, I was requesting for her. Hindi lang natutuloy. So, that is a fact. Nung nagtrabaho kami, nakita ko kung paano na-validate ang perception ko ng husay. Kasi napatid ko yung mga pelikula niya. Humanga ako. Munti ko lang makatrabaho si Joseph Marco years ago. Hindi lang natuloy. Yan ang buhay natin eh. May natutuloy, may hindi. Muntik na kay Joseph. Pero si Jerome Ponce, laging, idinarare ko sa akin yan, laging hindi kami natutuloy. Hindi niya alam yon kasi nasa casting level lang. So, in effect, yung pakikipagtrabaho ko sa kanilang tatlo is a very welcome opportunity. It is something that I have looked forward to.
Thank you. And my last question is for the cast. Nakakatawa na kahit sa press con very naging character na kayo. Now, ang question ko siguro, what did you do differently, or what are you doing differently sa project to compared sa mga previous ginawa yung project to get into character? Siguro start mo tayo kay Joseph, then Jerome.
Yeah, to be honest, my past 15 years sa pag-artista, hindi ako mahilig mag-aral ng acting. And so I was just relying on my talent and gut feeling. But this time, I actually nagpahinga ako ng almost 1 year and 4 months. So in those times, medyo nahilig akong mag-aral, magbasa. Yeah, it's such a breath of fresh air to be studying about the craft acting. And whenever you study something, you're always excited to apply it. Diba? Kahit saan naman pag nakapagbasa ka, oh, ganun pala yun. So, palalim mo yung kaalaman mo sa craft. And the more you want to try it. And so, I think nung nabasa ko yung libro, so in-apply ko lang lahat ng mga nabasa ko sa acting books na natutunan ko, I'm applying it here. So yeah, hindi pa kasi ako nagsistart and I'm just so excited and eager na magsimula para sa role na to. And yeah, so like I said, I've been prepping for 2 months now. And unti-unti ko nakikilala si Leandro. Araw-araw ko siyang kapiling. Bibisita ko siya araw-araw. And yeah, excited to play him.
Thank you. Joe? Yes. Same question. What are you doing differently for this project?
Differently? Well, syempre way different the way ng mga choices na pinapanood ko. And sa totoo lang, puro pinapanood ko malayo na sa mga trip ko before. And yung the way din ng pagbabasa ko, hindi ko muna tinatapos. Kung hindi, dun ako sa chronological natin. Pero kaya nasa 1/3 na ng book, at itong sinedment pinabasa agad sa akin yung script. So, andun ako ngayon sa kinokorrect ko yung book at script. Okay naman. Ayaw ko lang maging tamad in the way na isa lang babasahin ko. Kasi sa mga ginawa ko before, parehas ko pinabasa. And dun sa preparation naman, dun ko ina-apply yun. Ina-apply ko na, uy, kinilig ako dito, sakto, pupunan to ngayong araw. Dahil alam ko yung kilig. So, binubuhay ko sa sarili ko yung emosyon nung binabasa ko. The way sinabi nga na direct, yung imagination, yun yung dala ko at ginagamit ko. At the same time, syempre, yung personal knowledge ko sa mga nuances, mga pinag-aaralan ko pa so far, yun yung ginagawa ko. And with the help of Direct, for sure, the upcoming tapings, gagawin namin yung character na bububukas mo dito.
Thank you. Finally?
So the way I got or get into character, what I do is in the morning, my playlist is yung 1892. And so I listen to the playlist of 1892. And then once na nag-makeup na ako, nadamit na ako, ganun ako internalize. And then at the same time, alam ko kasi kung ano bang pinaglalaban nila, yung dalawang characters. Ano ba yung ugali nila. And so yung mga nuances, yung mga ganyan, kaming dalawa po ni Direk yun. Collaboration na namin ni Direk na parang, okay, pupunta ako ng set, ito yung alam ko. And so mag-a-add si Direk. And then it becomes like a beautiful artwork with us. And so it's more of being open lang to everything and being sensitive and just be mindful. So that's how I get into character.
Thank you and congrats everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Next is from GMA Entertainment. There is Apple.
Hi, good afternoon. Siguro sundan ko na namin muna yung question. Doon sa characters mo ba yun, ano yung nakita yung different doon sa mga ginawa nyo in the past na na-challenge kayo or kaya first time yung na-experience?
Actually, every character is different. Walang parehas na character na ipoportray mo. Kung ita-typecast mo na parehas silang, for example, parehas silang mamamatay tao, mag-iba pa rin yun. The more you get to know your character, the more makikilala mo sila. And it's always, that's the good thing about acting. It's always different. Every character that you portray, palaging meron kang nadi-discover, and at the same time, you get to learn from them as a person. Sometimes, kapag miserable yung buhay ng taong pinoportray mo, you get to be grateful in life na parang grabe sobrang sama ng buhay niya. And whenever you realize your life, I'm thankful that ito yung nangyayari sa akin. So, there's so much learning and every character is so rich, especially if you really get to know them in a like deeper level. So yeah, ibang-iba. I've never, parang wala pang ganung kalapit sa character na pinutray ko with Leon. Or siguro may mga malapit in a way na period, but completely different.
Sound different kasi sabi ko nga, sinishare ko sa mga kaman sa paligid ko na ito yung klase ng project na inaabang ko din. Very period yung time. Wala malayo. Usually kasi nag-start ako sa ganito, mayaman, small roles na din ako. MK, ako, ganyan. Hanggang sa naging kontrabida, Diyan yung kasama ko si sa Road Killers. Psycho, madami. Nag-enjoy ako. Hanggang sa, ito na, naging sa Invergada, Hero, until Sunbreak. Hanggang sa in-offer sa akin ito, sabi ko, wow. Ito na lang yung hinihintay ko. Nagbanggit ako sa kanila ng isang project, sabi ko, sa totoo lang, in-expect ko. Kukunin ako sa movie na ganito. Kaso, hindi. Iba rin ko ako napunta. Yun. Sabi ko, bakit? Bakit ka naman daw? Ayun, so, yun po. Yun yung iba. And for sure naman, and honestly, wala pa po ako dun sa, alam ko kagad yung pinagkaiba ng totality from the character and the set itself. Kasi hindi pa ako nag-uumpisa mag-shoot. Hopefully, share ko sa lahat ng tao kasi mas more on nakakapag-share ako about dun sa experiences dun sa taping, character, at sa story sa pag ginagawa. Yun po.
Of course, yung nga ako, first time ko magkaroon ng 2 characters. So very challenging. At the same time, na-challenge din ako kasi nakalihan din na po yung director ko. So, challenging po siya na
Oo nga pala.
kailangan A-game ako everyday.
A-game?
Nasa A-game talaga yung every scene. Kasi nakikita ko yung pagmamahal ni Direk sa proyekto na to. At the same time, mahal ko yung proyekto. Pero seeing the people, the production, especially ito, and then kasama ko pa tong dalawa na to. So very challenging for me. And so, ayun po, enjoying lang ako sa journey.